In this video, I'll show you how to receive direct message notifications by email in X, formerly Twitter, so you never miss an important message. If this video helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and sign into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up additional account options and settings. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll manage your account preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings. Next, click on Notifications. This section controls what alerts you receive from X, including activity, mentions, and message notifications. After that, click on Preferences. This is where X lets you customize how notifications are delivered and what types of alerts you want to receive. Now select Email Notifications. Here you'll see all the email-based alerts you can turn on or off for your account. Find the Direct Messages option and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, X will start sending direct message notifications to your email inbox, which makes it much easier to stay updated even when you're not actively using the app. After that, you can simply go back and your setting is saved automatically. That's it. You've now turned on direct message email notifications in x.com. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more useful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.